Hello friends, welcome again. This is SKADVISORY Private Limited. In last video, we were talking about exchange, what is exchange, how to settle a trade, if you are a buyer, how to search a seller, and we have talked about depository participants called brokers. In this video, we will be talking about index and what is index. And we will be talking about the two important index called NSE and BSE and other indices like Bank Nifty, Small Cap Index, Mid Cap Index, Pharma Index, IT Index and other. There are lot more index. We will be talking about them. Why these index are made and what benefit will we get from this index and what important role of this index is there under the stock market. Let's start this session. First we will talk about index. So where did you hear index word first time? We have heard it in the school, colleges, whichever book we used to see there on the front page we used to see index page. From that page we used to know that what and all are there in that book, which all topics are there, so we will be having an idea about this book after seeing the index. Similarly, in stock market, index plays the same role. Index shows you that there are so many companies listed in market and how many companies are listed in stock market. If you want to see the market's view, what is the direction to this, we have to watch index and it is very necessary. In index what happens is there are some selected companies in index. There will be a process like if we keep top 5 companies or top 10 companies or top 50 companies, if we keep in our index to watch the view or direction of the market. So I hope you have got to know about index. If you want to watch the market direction, we will make an index of some selected companies. In stock market there are many companies listed and we can't track them, so we will create an index with some selected companies, so we watch a view of our index. So you have seen in news that Sensex is 5% down or 100% down or Nifty is 200% up. So we watch the index. After seeing index we make a decision that is market is going up or going down. And we have here are two index. One is under BSC, that is Sensex. Full form of Sensex is sensitive index, and one more index is NSE, that is Nifty. Full form of Nifty is National 50. Now we will see that how these index are made, what is the procedure to make them and what benefit will we get from this. First, we will talk about Sensex. This is an index from BSE. Its full form is sensitive index. This is so sensitive that it will get to know everything about stock market. This word sensitive index, how much more you learn about stock market, you will get details on it. Why it is called sensitive index? There are many things under this name and we will get to know it in our upcoming videos. So when Sensex was made, BSE was having many companies under it. So they took 30 Indian companies and made index from 30 different companies. They made Sensex. That was calculated under weighted average. There are many other sector companies like banking company, financial company, information technology, real estate company, pharma companies. So mixing these all different companies, after their weighted average, they took top 30 companies according to their market capitalization. Now what is market capitalization? That we will talk in next video. So according to this, Sensex was made and the base value of it was decided as 100. Mixing all 30 companies, they made its base value as 100. How to create our own index, this we will teach it in our upcoming videos, and we can invest under this Sensex also. Its base value was 100 and now it is some 59,000 or 60,000. From 100 it was become so high. Seeing this we got to know that how much return Sensex has given. Fine, and there will be always top 30 companies under Sensex. So when Sensex was formed, there were 30 companies with it. Might be now there are not their companies. How market capitalization according to 30 companies were selected, so we can tell that this is a basket where always there are be 30 companies of India. Which companies is not performing well, it goes out. Which is performing good, that stays. So investing in different companies, we can invest it in this top 30 companies. We can buy Sensex. How to buy Sensex, this we will see later. Now we will talk about our next index, that is Nifty. This is listed under NSE. This is very important index. More trade is done under this index. We will make more strategies under this. We will do more trade under this index. This is very important, so listen carefully. In this instead of 30 companies, we take 50 Indian top companies. The weighted average of 50 Indian companies from different sectors through this index is made. This process is similarly like Sensex. But in this, they have joined top 50 companies. This is the basket of top 50 Indian companies. Nifty is the basket of top 50 companies of Indian of different sectors. If we don't have trust on any companies, like it might go under heavy loss, then we can buy even Nifty. If we buy Nifty, then we have buy top 50 companies shares. How to buy this, we will talk now. This is the basket of top 50 companies of India of different sectors. This was established around 1992. The base value of Nifty was only 1000, and now it is around 17,900 to 18,000. The value has increased a lot. From this we got to know the direction of the stock market. Index plays a very big role if we trade in stock market or invest in stock market. In next video we will talk about how to select companies under index and what is the procedure to do it, and we will see about market capitalization and what is weighted average. So to watch next session, do like, subscribe and comment below if you have any doubts. Thank you.